Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. I just created a spring detox plan for one of my clients and I thought it would be a good idea to share this topic with you in some detail. Detox is all the buzz. You can't look at a health magazine without seeing a new detox method. Visit any drugstore or health shop and you will be knee deep in detox kits and potions. Spas offer services promising to squeeze out toxins from you. It's everywhere. But do you really need all of that? Is it supposed to be this complicated? Not really. Simple and slow is the best approach. In this video, I will try to help decode some of the mystery associated with detoxification and share with you a simple 1-week plan you can use to help your body detox in spring. Spring is a season of fresh beginnings. It is also a perfect time to remove that layer of laziness and overindulgence that is quite common to develop in winter months. Starting the spring season with a simple detox can change all that and help put you in perfect form for the more active seasons ahead. It is important to remember that detoxing is not a permanent or a quick fix. It is part of a lifestyle, a clean and holistic lifestyle. You need to follow a sensible diet and exercise plan always, not for a week. And I do want to add that just like we detox our bodies, we should also detox our mind and emotions. Holding grudges, hatred, envy, jealousy, stress are all toxins that poison our thoughts, our emotions, and eventually our bodies. Many chronic illnesses are caused by deep negative emotions and feelings that people hang on to. So do a holistic detox. Nothing and no one is worth sacrificing your health and happiness. There is a popular opinion out there that detoxing isn't necessary and that our bodies are designed to detox naturally. That is true, but unfortunately, we don't live in an ideal world. We are surrounded by toxins. Our food, water, clothes we wear, cleaning supplies, the air we breathe, we are constantly exposed to toxins. Our livestock are treated with drugs. Our crops are sprayed with pesticides and fungicides. We can't ignore what all this does to our health. Once we start talking about toxins, it is easy to get overwhelmed. And that's not what I want to do. I want to help you build up your body's natural defenses, a strong, well-functioning immune system, good circulation, and a powerful elimination system. This will take care of majority of these toxins. The rest you can help expel from your system with periodic short detoxes. There is plenty of evidence to support detoxes work. A lot of health issues can be taken care of by a simple detox. Some of the things you will notice after a detox are constipation, gas, and cramping goes away as your gut and intestines are rebalanced. You will notice a difference in bloating, nausea, indigestion, and scrappy, dry tongue, which disappears as your liver begins to function better. Frequent colds and flu, tiredness, cellulite, water retention, and puffy eyes go away. Your skin and eyes appear healthy and have a glow. Clogged sinuses, congestion, and nasal drip can disappear as your lungs begin to function better. Urinary problems could clear up as your kidneys function optimally. There are plenty of other benefits that you feel as well. Topping the list is high energy levels. Concentration and mood is also improved when you get rid of toxins that may have been affecting brain function and memory. Generally, you can count on feeling much more clear-headed, focused, and alert. Now, a word of caution. If you have any chronic health problems, you should detox under supervision and with the approval of your physician. Some forms of detox may be dangerous if you're diabetic or suffer from high blood pressure or arthritis. Those with eating disorders should not detox without professional supervision. That being said, let's talk about the detoxing method I recommend. Detoxing is actually quite simple. It's a natural process that your body performs on its own. You do not need fancy or expensive detox kits. What you really need is proper diet, exercise, a positive mindset, and willpower. When your body is detoxing, it has increased amount of toxins being released, so free radical quenchers and herbal liver supports are very helpful. Many people like to include a detox tea as part of their program for this reason. I will recommend some of these support supplements in a bit. However, Herbs and supplements should ideally be individually tailored to your specific needs. For this reason, I would recommend that you seek the advice of a professional nutritional therapist, herbalist, or a naturopath before you proceed with your detox plan. They can create a precise plan given your medical history, diet, and other lifestyle factors. Now, I will share with you a super simple and easy detox plan. Ideally, you should do it for 7 days to really see wonderful results. Never do a detox for too long, because if you do it for too long, it can deplete your body of essential nutrients and you end up hurting yourself. But the plan I'm sharing is relatively safe for everyone. First, drink plenty of water throughout the day. Try keeping a bottle of fresh spring or mineral water on your desk and pause for regular sips. I'm talking about 3 liters, which is approximately 12 large cups of water a day. Some people just don't like the taste of water. If that is the case, drink infused water. Add some lemon, some mint, whatever fruits you have at home to make the water more palatable for you. Second, fresh juices. Drink a cup of fresh fruit and vegetable juice for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So 3 cups a day. You don't want fruit juice only, since it would be high in sugar. Make sure you have vegetables in your juice and no packaged juices, since they are full of preservatives and sugar. No alcohol for the duration of your detox. No dairy for the duration of the detox. No milk, yogurt, cheese, none of that. I would suggest staying off of nut milks as well for that week. No junk or processed food. Avoid anything coming out of a package. If you don't have time to cook, go for a healthy wrap, baked chicken, stuff like that. Remove all caffeine from your diet. Substitute it with herbal teas like ginger, mint, dandelion, or hibiscus tea. You can also try drinking detox teas to help boost your detox. Just make sure you choose a reputable brand that sells organic tea free of harmful toxins. Exercise regularly, even if it's brisk walk or jump rope, whatever. Just move. Do dry skin brushing. I have done a video on the topic, which I will link here. Please check it out to see how to do it properly. You also want to maintain low stress levels for the duration of the detox. So ideally, while you're detoxing, keep yourself away from stressful environment. Keep yourself occupied with things that make you happy. Perform deep breathing. This will help lower your stress levels. And take Epsom salt baths while with relaxing essential oils. If you can, do it every day of your detox week. Other than that, as a regular practice, switch to non-toxic natural cleaning supplies. You can even make your own cleaning supplies with vinegar and some essential oils. Let me know in the comment section if you would like me to show you how I make my easy homemade cleaning solution. I'll be more than happy to do that. Also, use natural, non-petroleum, non-chemical cosmetics, skincare, and hair care products. Anything you put on your skin goes into your bloodstream. So be mindful of what you're feeding your skin, your lips, and your hair. It is important to know that detoxing can produce some side effects. Don't let them demotivate you. If you don't know what's happening, of course you will panic and may want to give up. Knowledge is power. If you know what to expect, then you are in a much stronger position to overcome it. Some of the common side effects people experience during detoxing, especially the first couple of days, are headaches. For that, drink water, rest, take a bath, and use some lavender oil in diffuser or on your temples. Constipation is another side effect. For that, you can take psyllium husk or chew on some linseed or flax seeds that have been soaked in water for 30 minutes. Furry tongue is another side effect. Scrape your tongue or use lemon water as mouthwash. Spots, rashes, pimples are also some side effects people get. Don't panic. Just dab the area with witch hazel or calendula oil or calendula extract. Fatigue. For that, drink a cup of juice, have some fruit, some soup or sandwich. You don't need to be hungry while you're detoxing. Some people develop body odor and bad breath. Drink some lemon juice, it will help. Regular Epsom salt baths will also help with body odor. If you are having sweet cravings, that you can't resist, drink some hibiscus tea with mint. That will take care of the cravings. If not, have a banana with some raw honey. As a support for your liver, you can take some milk thistle tea regularly. That will really help. That's it. It might sound overwhelming right now, but trust me, it's not. One piece of advice I would like to give you before I wrap up this video is don't look at the detox as a chore, but rather as a healing, exciting experiment. It will only be a matter of days before you begin to feel the surge of energy, a clearer mind, alertness, focus, and a clearer skin. This spring detox will help you spring into action. You will never regret it. Do it. Let me know how it goes. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions or concerns. I will be more than happy to answer them for you. I'm also available for consultations. You can contact me through Facebook or Instagram or through my website. I wish you all the best. Take good care of yourself. I will see you shortly with another video. Until then, goodbye.